When it comes to broadband, fiber is a popular topic. Yes, fiber is amazing. It's fast and reliable. It's also expensive, like really expensive. And it's hard to get, especially if you're a bit off the beaten path. So if you don't have years to wait for fiber or the budget to pay for it, but you need connectivity now, then let's talk about fixed wireless solutions. Designed and deployed to meet and in many cases exceed the capabilities of legacy fixed access networks. Using wireless as a last-mile technology doesn't mean sacrificing reliability or speed, because we're delivering fiber-like speeds over a fixed wireless connection, and we're doing it at a fraction of the cost of fiber in a fraction of the time. At PCS Tech, we're deploying backhaul and multi-point wireless solutions to bring fast, stable, and secure connectivity to providers across the country. Whether you need coverage in town or miles down the road, our fixed wireless systems are purpose-built, quickly deployed, and easily managed. We do this by taking the carrier-grade connectivity you've come to expect and scaling it to fit your needs, delivering interference-free wireless with the reliability, range, and security to connect communities and help them thrive. You see, this isn't our first rodeo. We have been designing and deploying wireless broadband networks for over 25 years, connecting hundreds of thousands of customers. So we know a thing or two about wireless. You don't have to wait for years and spend a fortune to get connected. It's time for you to take control of your broadband network and get the fast, secure, and predictable wireless technology that connects your customers at astounding speeds. PCS Technologies, creating connections that matter.